Hello guys, nice to meet you all. This is Haley.
Hello friends, this is Sandy. Welcome to Elestar live show.
Today we would like to introduce two type of JT pumps to you all. One is JTS self-permanent JT pump, and another is JTS stainless steel JT pump. I believe everyone should be familiar with these two pumps because of they are wholesaling model in many markets and low for suitable performance. Now, Sandy will introduce these two pumps to you all.
Thanks, Haley. Okay, you can see in our table there are two water pumps, and GTS and GS water pump. Let me introduce this GTS water pump for you firstly. GTS water pump casting is made of cast iron, so we can see very clearly from its appearance, and the motor housing is aluminum alloy material, this part. And its internal construction mainly brass impeller. This is the impeller is used, and 100% copper wire, stainless steel shaft, CNU bearing, and this one is the thermal protector. Many factories will reduce these parts, but we will use it in our all pumps. For all the spare parts can change according to your different demand. Like you can use stainless steel impeller as well, and aluminum, and this one PPO impeller is okay as well. And aluminum alloy wire. The bearing also can be NSK brand, and the graphite seals. And last one is the performance of our ETS pump is rather good. We can produce 0.5 horsepower to 1 horsepower. The max head can reach 50 meters, and the max flow can reach 53 liters per minute. Different from our GTS water pump, this one is our GS. It's made of stainless steel, the pump body. Then the material is the 304 stainless steel. And different with our GTS is front cover can be aluminum alloy material and cast iron material. The sample in the table, its front cover is made of aluminum alloy, and the GTS is made of cast iron. So there are two types for your choice. Its configuration is the same as with a GTS, the short venturi tube, and the flexible choice for all spare parts. The performance of the GS not as much different with GTS. Both has stable output and performance.
Yeah, like what Sandy said just now, both these JT pump with the same flexible configuration, choice, and good performance. Regarding the function of them, these two pumps are mainly used to transport clean water, high-rise building, and garden irrigation, and so on. The noise of these two pumps is low during operation, and it will not affect our daily life. Easy to use and economical for home water supply at excellent value for money.
That's right. And what's more, our these two jet pumps can be equipped with pressure tank, pressure switch, and pressure gauge, and other accessories to become an automatic booster system. With the support of supercharging equipment, it can play a better performance. The main difference between the single machine and the booster group is the pressure tank. The function of the pressure tank is to maintain the pressure, which can better prolong the whole life of our pumps. So strictly speaking, the booster group is definitely a better choice than our single machine. So that's why our many European customers prefer auto pumps. So we have rich experience in OEM service for producing auto pump stations for them. And the next one, regarding the installation environment of our pumps, it should be installed in a closed environment, or at least protected from bad weather, preferably away from the humid places. And about the painting of the pump, we can see the samples are blue colors, and we can also arrange it according to your requirements, like yellow color or red color or black color. So it's just tell us what color you need, and we can quickly match the right color for you. Okay, our production is relatively flexible and can meet your different needs. You can increase or decrease the configuration according to your local product quality and the requirements.
Yes, but no matter what, Elestar always stick to quality first. We pay great attention to the selection of raw materials, and we have also specific inspectors and inspection tools for every spare part maintaining to our warehouse. And in each workshop, we all have strict testing to ensure the quality.
Sure. Each of our pumps in the process of production will be tested many times in order to ensure their normal performance and good quality. And in the process of production, we will ensure the pump internal clean without any dust. If there is dirty inside the pump, may cause the internal damage to some of the parts, and the water pump will be filled. So we always believe that the details make difference. That's why we have good reputation in many markets.
Yes, that's all introduction of two JT pumps. I have noticed that some online customers have some questions. Cindy, let's see and answer them together.
Okay, no problem.
For the first question, I see someone ask about how many horsepower does this pump have?
This pump has 3 horsepower for your choice. The one is 0.5 horsepower, and its head can be 36 meters, and the flow is 42 liters per minute. And the second one is the 0.75 horsepower, and the head is 42 meters. The flow is 45 liters per minute. The last one is 1 horsepower, and its head is very big, like can reach 50 meters, and the flow rate can reach 53 liters per minute.
I see. For the second questions, what are the specific configuration, and how about the quality?
Okay, for regarding the configuration, just as what we said just now, they can have many choice of the raw material like impeller, shafts, bearing, a valve weighting, and the fan cover, and many types for your choice. And for the quality, all pumps have its certain quality time. Like the copper valve, we have 1 year, and the aluminum valve has a warranty time for 9 months. And also for our oil pumps, before leaving our factory, after their production, our engineer will make a test for the all goods. This is a test report sample. From the test reports, we can see the inside structure of the pump. Like this one is our JS pump testing report. It's 100% copper valve and stainless steel impeller. And this is this date. 7 times date is its performance testing. We test its mass head and the mass flow. And this one is the performance curve. So from the test reports, we can clearly know the performance of our pumps and the rise temperature of our pumps.
Yes.
Yes, and so not only our test reports, we also have the international certification for our oil pumps. This one is our CE certification. And it's including our many series water pumps.
I see. And I have a question. What about the delivery time?
Our delivery time is normally 30 days to 45 days.
Yes, I see. That's all question. If you have any other questions, you can also talk to our customer service staff, who will provide you with some more detailed answers.
Yes. So let's offer today's introduction of our two jet pumps. If you have any further questions and want to know our detailed price or want to know about our company and production, please feel free to contact our sales team. They will give you immediate and professional reply. Okay, now it's time to get into second part in the end of today's live show. We will lead you to visit our assembly workshop. Let's go!
Welcome back, friend. Now come to our assembly workshop. Let us follow the lens together to visit the main work of our assembly workshop. In the assembly workshop, first we use this automated equipment to press fit the qualified rotor and bearing together, so that the bearing is embedded in both ends of the rotating shaft, and rotate the bearing to see if there is any jamming. If not, it is a qualified shaft. Then, let's come to the heat sleeve area of the stator. Our case is basically an aluminum case. Induction heaters are used to heat and soften the motor housing, which facilitates pressing the stator into the motor housing. After installing the stator in the aluminum housing, hit it hard with a wooden hammer to make the stator insertion more stable. Next, we need to assemble the rotor and stator. We use a hydraulic machine to put the front cover of the water pump, the rotor, the stator with the casing and the back cover all together. When installing the front and rear cover castings, we will carry out dust removal treatment on the inner ring of the castings. Then put the water pump upside down. We will install O-rings, mechanical seals and other accessories on the rolling shaft in sequence. When installing mechanical seals, it is necessary to blow away impurities with an air gun and ensure that the surface is clean and smooth. To prevent impurities from damaging the seal and affecting the service life of the accessories. After mechanical seal installation, we will assemble the impeller. The impeller must correspond to the flat key to ensure that the impeller can be fixed in position. At the same time, we use the screw to tighten the fitting. Pay special attention to the installation of the vortex pump, such as the QB pump. During its impeller installation, the three small holes on the impeller should be balanced and beaten to prevent the imbalance when the impeller is running. After the impeller is installed, we will install the diffuser and venturi tube of jet pump. Then connect the motor to the pump body. Use bolts to tighten the pump body and motor part. After the whole machine is assembled, we will test them in sequence. The first is the pressure test. It not only includes the pressure test of the machine, but also the test of bearing noise, impeller noise, machine vibration and other items. The second is the tightness test. The tightness test is mainly to check whether the water pump is leaking or not. Install air nails on the machine before performing the sealing test. Our general air pressure for small machines is 38 psi, and we normally measure 40 psi. The standard for different models of large machines will be different. The above is all about the introduction of the assembly workshop. Thank you for watching.
That's all for today's living show. Welcome to inquire about our pumps. Bye bye.